from the onset that I share the same sentiments and concerns. I watched with consternation that clip. That brutality was absolutely not warranted. Even so, especially coming on the heels of Buvuma, which makes it even more objectionable. What we have done this far, and I'm surprised Loeb says those honorable members are not yet released. We passed the instruction to release them unconditionally, and I'm going to follow through that one.
These orders are appreciated, but you should understand that orders on actions illegally done really do not matter. An illegality with or without an order is an illegality. And wait for action on the officer that have manhandled these honourable members of Parliament. For the record, Right Honourable Speaker, the members are 11. This is why I want to challenge the Honourable Minister of Internal Affairs to come here and tell the public whether demonstrations of a peaceful nature are illegal and unconstitutional in this country, so that we can know that they have a new constitution we are not privy to.
It's really, when you see the videos, they look ugly. There shouldn't be any sugarcoating. And these people are not working for government. Right, Honorable? You need to go, you investigate. These are not people working for the government you have. And the people who are making this government get hated, our country get hated, they are saboteurs. You must go and investigate them. Number two, the Prime Minister shall bring a statement with regard to this issue of stopping Women's Day celebrations when the Minister for Gender guided all female MPs, women district representatives, to organize Women's Day celebrations in their area. Tomorrow I will be presiding over some. Now it's embarrassing, some were stopped, I'm presiding over others successfully. You know, it's double standards. And we might look as if we are part of it. It's very, very... we need the statement. Which statement should include today's incidents, well captured, and the action taken against these errant officers that are destroying the image of our country and government. Number three, as the leadership of the House, be constrained with what has happened. We find it difficult to move on. I adjourn the House to Tuesday at 10.